Now that you understand a little bit about the WooCommerce settings, we're going to go ahead and add some products. Some of the settings are things that we're going to have to go back and readjust once we have some products in our store, as some of the settings are things that you just cannot configure without having any products. So we'll begin by adding some basic products. In order to add a product, you're going to go to the Products tab and you're going to go to the Products sub-menu. Adding a product is really just like adding a post. We're going to go ahead and we're going to create our first product. So I'm going to click the button that says Create First Product, and you can see that I get to a page which looks a lot like a post page. The first thing I need to do is give my product a product name. This is going to be what the customers will see in the store. We're going to start off by creating some basic cupcake products. The name of my product is going to be Animal Cupcakes Sheep. Then I need to add a product description. The description is going to appear in the main body content. We should describe a description of our product in detail. If I scroll down, I'm going to need to choose a product type. Simple products are useful for basic products that you're going to be selling. You also have other options here: grouped products, external affiliate products, and variable products. We're going to start by creating a simple product. The virtual checkbox and the downloadable checkbox pertain to products that are non-physical or something that the user can download. This does not apply to our product. Next, I need to assign a price to my product. These products are going to be $3.99 a piece. I'm going to also add a short description of my product. This is going to appear on the product page under the product name. If you want to have an image display with your product, you're going to need to set a product image. I'll go ahead and do that now. I'm going to set the product image, and you can see that this is the image that's going to appear for this particular product. You can also add product tags. Product tags are ways that you can label your products to make them easier for customers to filter and search for. We're going to go ahead and add some product tags. We're also going to want to add product categories. Categories make it easier for you to group products together and for users to browse through the products. We don't have any categories set yet, so we're going to add a new product category. This one is going to be cupcakes. The final thing that it's prompting us to do is to publish. I'm going to dismiss this for now because I just want to discuss a couple of other things. Back down here in the product data, you can assign things like a sale price. If my cupcakes were going to go on sale, I could specify the sale price, and I can even set a schedule from when the product is going to be on sale from. Our products aren't going to go on sale right now, so I'll just click cancel. You can also set the tax status. We want our product to be taxable, so we're going to leave this set as taxable. The tax class is going to be standard, but you can see that I can pick one of my other tax classes that I've already previously set up. You have other subcategory tabs under the product data section. You can go and manage your inventory here. You can set a Sku number. A Sku number stands for stock keeping unit, and this is a way that you can keep track of the products that you have. My Sku number is going to be CC-ANI-sheep. If you want to manage stock, you would check here, and then you could enter a stock quantity. This is important if you have a finite number of items that you're going to be keeping track of in your store. We don't have to worry about that, so I'm going to uncheck that. You can also specify if you want your product sold individually. This will allow users to only buy one of this particular product. Again, this is something that we don't want to do for this product. Under the Shipping tab, you can add things like weight and dimension if they're applicable. You can also assign a shipping class. I'm going to go ahead and just leave these without making any modifications. Linked products is where you can set upsells and cross-sells. We can also set a grouped product. This requires that you have other products already set up, so we're going to come back and visit this section later. We'll also be looking at attributes and the advanced settings later on. So for now, I'm done with my first product. I'm going to go ahead and click Publish. And if we go to the front end portion of our website, you can see that I have a new area under Shop by Category. You can see that the category I have set up is cupcakes. You can also see that I have this particular cupcake listed as new in. Since it's the only item I have, it's listed under best sellers as well. I'm going to go back up to the menu and go to the shop page. On the shop page, it's going to list any products that I currently have. Since I only have the one product, this is what it looks like. I can click on the image or on the name of the image to get to the actual product page. This is where I can get more information about the product. I will get my long description. I will be able to see the image, note the price, see the short description, and be able to add multiple units to my cart. Once I've selected units to add to the cart, I can click Add to Cart. This will add the animal cupcakes sheep and add them to my cart. You can see that I now have a cart that has 3 items totaling $11.97. If I want to view the cart, I can click this button right here, and that will take me to my cart page, which is going to give me a summary of all the items that I have in my cart. You can see that it's automatically going to calculate the shipping and the tax rate that we've specified. I'm going to go back to the shop page, and I'm just going to add a couple more individual products to my shop. If I want to add additional products, I'm going to go up to the product page and click Add Product, or I can simply go to the menu and click Add Product. Either way, it's going to take me to a new product name. I'm going to add in my product description. Again, this is going to be a simple product. I'll add the product price. Everything else is going to be set at the defaults. I'm going to add a category of cupcakes. The tags I'm going to use are going to be the animal cupcake tag and the cupcake tag, so the same one that I used for the sheep. I'm going to set a product image and a short product description. I'll go ahead and publish this page, and then I'm going to quickly add one more product for right now. Once I've filled out the necessary information, I'm going to publish this as well. If we go back to the front end of our site and we refresh, here I am on the shop page, and you can see that I now have a multitude of information on my shop page. I can actually add these items right to my cart right here. When you click Add to Cart, you only have the option to add one. You can always add more if you go to the View to Cart page. You can augment the number of cupcakes, the number of products that you have, and update your cart. It will go ahead and recalculate the totals based on what you've clicked. Our store is going to start to come together once we add more products into the store. What I wanted to show you today, though, was how you could quickly and easily modify some of the settings and start to add individual products to your store. In subsequent lessons, we're going to look at how we can add different types of products and how we can start to fill in our store with other sorts of items that the customer might want to buy.